Right, welcome to Scrambled, except this one is scrambled with a difference because we're in the middle of an amazing safari park, and I'm going to scramble eggs, but it's not eggs plural, it's eggs singular. It is beauty. Look at that. It's an ostrich egg, equivalent to 2 dozen eggs in there. Now, no, there's only one way to get into an ostrich egg, and that's with this. Shit. We're in. Yeah. That's the hardest part done. Now, into a bowl first. Look at this. Boy, look at that. Give that little mix. Look how rich that yolk is. Some butter in first. A nice tablespoon of butter. Now, from there, I'm going to put no seasoning in, and then mix that butter up. Now into the pan again. Nice hot pan. Get that pan nice and hot. Wow. So this is a braai, okay? This is a traditional South African grill. So it's super hot, and I want to go 30 seconds on, 1 minute off, 1 minute on, 1 minute off. Here we go. Now, in she goes. Beautiful. Whoosh. In she goes. Now look how rich that is. Again, mix that up. Get that in there. Now, next to that, I've got some spring onions, a little bit of chili as well. Okay. Spring onions, and then chili. A little bit of green, a little bit of red. Spice mixed in there. Now, from there, back off the heat and in. Quickly mix that. Now, clean that. You can see how hot that is. Butter's starting to melt. 24 eggs in this scrambled egg. Incredible. Nice and tasty. Now it's back in. That boil. Seriously. Back in. And out again. Butter's melting nicely. The dust comes for free. And look how rich that egg yolk is. Now, like before, I'll put my chili scallions in there now. So it's going to give it a little bit more flavour. Okay, give that a little mix. Back in. I want to put the scallions and the chili in a little bit earlier, so I get a little bit of a sort of spice going to this scrambled egg. Now, traditionally, there's such a wonderful influence of sort of Zulu, sort of Indian combined influence, like this perfect little melting pot. So the chili will give it the heat, and the scallions will help cool down that little flavour burst of heat. So in, now it's starting to come together. Smell that chili. Those incredible scallions. Beautiful. Nice and thick. It's incredible how rich that yolk is. But the exciting thing for me is the yield of one ostrich egg. Maybe a bugger getting into it, but look at that now, it's all coming together beautifully. So, turn the gas back down. tablespoon creme fraiche in. That's going to cool it down. Stop the eggs from overcooking. A nice season over. Push it down. And then mix that in. Look. Beautiful. Now it's starting to come together. Nice. Now where's my amazing gamekeeper? Lonely? You ready? This is Lonely. Most amazing gamekeeper. Scrambled eggs. Now, I've never made scrambled eggs with ostrich eggs before.
Yeah.
But they're incredibly rich.
Yeah.
So tasty. I've got a little bit of chili, a little bit of scallion in there. And then over the top, because I know you guys like your garnish chili. Tomatoes,
Thank you.
onion,
Yes.